Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, lived a little raccoon. His name was Snout Nose, and boy, could he get into mischief. Let's watch him get into mischief and out of mischief in the same day.
I got you now. Come back here. Come back. Come back. Oh, there you... Oh, what's this? Look, everybody. See what I just found? A brand new nickel.
Did you lose a nickel?
Well, no.
Then somebody else lost it.
Yes, but I found it.
I wonder who lost it.
Shh.
Put it away. Someone might see it and say it's theirs. Then you would have to give it to them, and you would be left with nothing at all.
No one would do that.
You don't know that. You can't be too careful. Some people would say anything for money. I know people just like that.
But they wouldn't lie.
Oh, yes, they would. They'd say they lost it, even if they didn't.
Well, it's not right to do that.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Maybe there's more money lost around here.
The mouse enjoyed.
Hey, where you going, guy?
Why, nowhere.
Oh, I heard that you found some money. Hand it over to me.
I'm looking for the person that lost the money.
Oh, I lost the money. Yeah, give it to me. Come on. Hand it over right now. Come on, buddy, if you know what's good for you. I lost it over there. Yeah.
How much did you lose?
I don't know. I didn't have a lot. You know, I always have a lot of money.
Did it look like this?
That's it. Here, yeah, come on, give it to me. I sure tricked that dummy.
Give me back that nickel.
Hey, leave me alone. Get off of me. You're ruining my
Give me back
pants.
that nickel.
Ah, leave me alone. No.
Doesn't belong to you.
Stop it. Get off of
I'm
me.
going to find the true owner. Come here, give me that
Stop
nickel.
it. Get off me now.
What's going on here? Why are you fighting?
He's picking on me.
That's not true. I found a nickel and he took it.
I just took it to look for the person who lost it. That's all, Coach.
He was going to keep it.
Give him back the nickel, or I'll tell your father.
I don't need your old nickel anyway. I got plenty of money at home. Maybe I can get it after the coach leaves.
I don't know what to do.
You must first try to find the owner. Only after that may you keep it.
It would be nice to keep it. I got it back. What a catch. This is my lucky day. I found a nickel, then I dropped it, then I got it back again. Boy, that ice cream sure looks good. cream sure looks good.
Thank you. And what would you like?
Nothing, thank you. I found a nickel. Did you lose any money?
Let me see. No.
Did you lose this nickel I found?
No, I never lose anything. I'm a very careful person. Good day now.
Oh, hey, why are you crying?
I took a shortcut back to the park. And somehow I lost my nickel. And I don't have the money to pay the man to ride the trolley. Oh, I was on my way back home. Do you know what it's like to know that you can't go back home?
I found a nickel. Well, I was in the park, playing, over by the flowers. I was looking for whoever lost it.
I stopped to pick some flowers on my way home.
Here's your nickel.
You certainly are honest. Thank you ever so much. I have to go now.
You be careful on your way home.
Please, take this as a reward.
Well, thank you.
So long.
So, as you can see,
Bye-bye.
honesty is the best policy.
It really pays to be honest. See the reward I got? Just think, I almost dropped it in the water.